I'm getting a little ahead of myself because I still have several items that I need to add to the engine. Obviously carbs, I need to replace this cap. I have the replacement, just need to put it on. I need to replace this fuel pump because as you can see, it's hitting the MagnaSpark distributor. So I have a replacement that should work on there. Pulley belt, exhaust, so still a lot to do. But I ended up purchasing the Zalex Engine Stand, and I also have the controls. I purchased a separate gas tank. I really wanted to just mock it up to see kind of where I'm at, what I need. So I got it on there. The engine stand, very sturdy. All the bolts line up perfectly. No issues there. I did have one question where if you look at other ones, it has 4 standoffs and mounting points. But when I received this, it only has 3. I know it's a little dark in there, but there's 1, 2, 3. On the other ones that I saw, there's a 4th one here that mounts into this hole. But if you look at it, it's sturdy, it's not going anywhere. And I asked Zalex about that and they said, yes, they changed it to a 3 mount because the 4th was overkill. It's probably debatable, but it is pretty sturdy. So I don't really have any concerns. I have the plate here. It's not fully bolted up. I still need to install this bolt for the starter. Again, just mocking it up now, and I need to find that bolt. Wasn't in my bin, so I just need to look for it. So really what I'm doing is I wanted to make a little stand here, just semi-permanent, that I can mount the controller box, a gas tank, and there's some other space. The battery, I'll probably end up putting something here, or I just may set it on the ground for ease of use. I really didn't want 27 different pieces, so if I can mount stuff together, I'm gonna try and do that. I think the battery's gonna be too heavy and just better off on the floor. But like I said, build quality of the stand, very good. No issues there. I did, as you can see, these nuts fit in there really close on the edge. I did have to open up the holes just slightly on this top piece because it comes in 3 pieces, the vertical and then the 2 legs. But once I opened those up, I was able to get it to fit, and it's, like I said, super sturdy. I mean, it's definitely good build quality. So everything looks good. I'm gonna finish mocking these up, probably bolt this here. So I have a gas tank and I'm not just running a hose to something like that. Like I said, I wanted it to be pretty permanent, at least semi-permanent. So if need be, my plan is, I just have the clamps here now, but put a bolt through here with a wing nut so I can pull this off. All of this will be bolted together. Right now it's just temporarily clamped to see if it fits, and I think that's gonna work out for what I need it to. This has a magnet on the bottom. Sorry, it's got a magnet on the bottom, so I'll probably put some sort of a steel plate here, just a small one, so that'll stay when I put it up there. But everything looks good. Hopefully I can find some time to start getting this engine completed, because I'd really like to get this one started, hear it run.